Meet a robotic version of the ancient lamprey, a creature that has barely changed over hundreds of millions of years. Scientists are taking a cue from this evolutionary success story to design smarter swimming robots. Agnatha X is special because it mimics both the central and peripheral nervous systems found in animals. Tests show it swims best when both systems work together. Even when sensors fail or problems arise, it adapts smoothly, just like a real animal. This makes Agnatha X not only a valuable tool for studying how nervous systems function, but also a big step forward in building more resilient and intelligent underwater robots. The insights gained could shape the future of robotics and deepen our understanding of biology at the same time. The Flashbot arm is a small, versatile robot designed for places like hospitals, hotels, and stores, anywhere that could use an extra set of hands. It looks a bit like a tiny centaur and can understand voice commands, gestures, and facial expressions. Its hands have 11 degrees of freedom, meaning it can do a lot of tasks like calling an elevator, delivering food, or serving guests at tables. A single charge lets it work for up to 8 hours, and it weighs just 15 kilograms, so it doesn't require much space. There's no word yet on when it will be available for sale, but it promises to make life a little easier wherever it's used. Glide is a smart, self-guided device designed for blind and visually impaired people. It's like a mix between a cane and a guide dog, using AI and robotics to help navigate. Glide helps users avoid obstacles and find things like doors, elevators, and stairs, whether on a set route or during a spontaneous walk. It can see up to 15 meters ahead, responds to voice commands, and lasts about 6 hours on a full charge. Currently, Glide is in alpha testing, but the team plans to begin shipping it this fall. It's a game changer for mobility and independence. MIT researchers have created a tiny robot that can jump like a champ, better than many real insects. This little machine is about the size of a coin but can leap up to 20 centimeters high. Even more impressive, it can carry objects 10 times heavier than itself. Its secret? A smart spring-loaded leg and 4 mini wings that help it lift off and stay steady. Whether it's jumping over grass, bouncing on ice, or landing on small drones, this robot handles it all with ease. It's also super tough. After going through tons of tests, it still works perfectly and looks brand new. This fun, high-energy bot might be small, but it's full of surprises and built to last. Imagine a robotic bull that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. That's the Miami Bull, a futuristic version of Wall Street's famous charging bull. Unveiled in Miami, it's a bold symbol of how far tech and finance have come together. Meanwhile, in the world of real robotics, machines like the DARPA LS-3 are already proving their strength. Designed to help military units, this 4-legged robot can carry heavy gear over rough terrain, acting like a robotic pack mule. Both the Miami Bull and the LS-3 show how robots are becoming smarter, stronger, and more present in everyday life. Whether it's art or utility, these machines are turning visions of the future into today's reality. Norwegian designer Key Halvorsen, also known online as Zenta, became famous for creating amazing robots just as a hobby. One of his coolest inventions is Morpex, a 6-legged robot that moves in a smooth, eye-catching way and can even fold itself into a ball, like a transforming toy. What really makes Morpex stand out is that it can roll around, even on slopes, and it's all controlled remotely. Building it was no small feat. It runs on 25 servo motors, uses an AR-32 controller board, and communicates through XB radio modules. Even though it's a pretty complex machine, Halvorsen put it all together for fun. Morpex is a great example of how creativity and tech can come together to make something truly exciting and inspiring. Roboa is a snake-shaped robot created by experts at ETH Zurich in Switzerland. It's designed to move through pipes, tunnels, and other tight spaces that are hard for people to reach. Thanks to its soft body and advanced air-powered movement, it's perfect for dangerous places, especially where a single spark could cause an explosion. Roboa can stretch up to 100 meters and has a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing rescuers to talk to trapped victims. It began as a student project, but has now received support from a Pioneer Fellowship. With this backing, it's getting closer to real-world use. In the near future, we might see Roboa helping in major rescue missions. In Silicon Valley, even burgers are made by robots. If you're ever in the area, check out BurgerBot, where robots can make the perfect burger in just 27 seconds. It might cost you $18, but it's an experience you won't find anywhere else. While robots handle the cooking, the human staff can focus on chatting with customers and making the experience more enjoyable. If BurgerBot is a hit, we could see more of these techie fast food spots popping up across California, and possibly even worldwide. In fact, a recent study shows that 89% of hospitality managers are open to robot-assisted automation. Would you be willing to pay $18 for a high-tech burger? Roombots are smart little robots from Switzerland and Portugal that can change shape and move on their own. They're designed to turn ordinary furniture into flexible, moving pieces that adjust to your needs. Imagine your chair turning into a comfy recliner at the press of a button, no lifting or moving required. Each Roombot has 3 tiny motors that help it shift, twist, and roll. This makes them perfect for people who have trouble moving around, like older adults or those with health issues. Roombots make life easier, whether you're trying to save space, get more comfort, or help someone live more independently. With Roombots, your home can adapt to you, not the other way around. Meet the Walk-On Suit F1, a cutting-edge wearable robot created by South Korean companies KA and Angel Robotics. This hybrid exoskeleton is designed to help people with leg paralysis move again. What makes it special? It can walk on its own and even attach itself to the user automatically. Since development began in 2015, the Walk-On Suit has become smarter and stronger, now featuring improved motors and an obstacle detection system. It's a powerful tool for rehabilitation, offering new hope for people regaining mobility. The suit's success was recognized globally when it won gold at Cybathlon, a competition for athletes with disabilities using assistive technology. The Walk-On Suit F1 is more than a machine. This isn't a sci-fi creature, it's a real weed-fighting robot. Created by Ground Control Robotics, this multi-legged machine looks like a robotic centipede and is built to move through fields and tricky terrain. Instead of heavy tractors that can damage the soil, this robot walks gently using mechanical legs. It's powered by AI, allowing it to scan the ground, find weeds, and remove them, either by spraying herbicide or pulling them out. The goal? Make farming easier and smarter. It works quietly and efficiently, helping farmers keep their crops healthy without harming the earth. The Tsomotion exoskeleton is designed to help people with spinal cord injuries walk again, without using their hands to control it. It automatically balances itself and mimics natural leg movement, allowing users to even dance. It's only the second exoskeleton in the world with this capability. The device is adjustable to fit individuals between 1.5 and 2 meters tall, weighing up to 100 kilograms, and features swappable batteries. The first unit was purchased by a rehabilitation center in Calgary, Canada. The creators are open to collaborating with researchers in medicine and robotics.